Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Namaskar. Welcome to the session, my dear learners. So today we will be discussing about the benefits of Indian classical dance, Kathak. Benefits, that's mental, physical, intellectual. How does it help us? So today we shall be discussing about that, benefits of Indian classical dance. Emotional intelligence, which is very important. Emotional intelligence means I should feel what, there's difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy means I understand what he or she feels, and empathy is I feel what he feels. And in dance, it is very, very important that the dancer feels what the character feels, and the audience feels what the dancer and character feels. So that emotional intelligence, which is very, very important, that enhances empathy by poetry characters. Tore bin mohe chain nahi brij ke nandalala. I do remember that performance while I was a student learning dance in my final year stage performance. In the moment I felt, that Radha dresses up, Vasak Sajja dresses up, Abhisarika getting ready, she moves fast with dancing feet to meet Shri Krishna. And then when she reaches the bank of Yamuna river under the Kadam tree, and she looks for Shyam, and suddenly she realizes, oh, he has left Gokul, leaving me all alone here with his memories. And then Virohat Kantita, she starts crying, Tore bin mohe chain nahi brij ke nandalala. As a dancer, young dancer on the stage, I was crying. I had tears in my eyes. Because as a character, emotional, intelligent, I feel what she might have felt. So that improves empathy. That enables as an individual, as a human being, to a dancer to enter in someone else's shoe. I can put my feet in someone else's shoes. I can feel what he might be feeling. So that improves empathy, as the dancer must feel and portray different characters and emotions. At one moment, I am Lord Krishna character, smiling at Kansa. You don't know who am I. You feel that you are all powerful. You can do harm to anyone. And there Kansa. He feels I'm almighty. So there's a shift of the character. One moment I am Lord Krishna, one moment I am Jarasangha or Krishna, one moment I am Sita, one moment I am Rama, one moment I am Lakshmana, and another moment I am Ravana. So that shift and feeling everything, that strengthens my capability to feel emotions, to understand and feel what the others might be feeling. That enhances interpersonal sensitivity through understanding rasa, that's aesthetic emotion, feeling what one might be feeling. That improves, as I told you, that interpersonal sensitivity also. That helps to understand what others are feeling, and otherwise in individual's life also, that helps to strengthen relationship also. Now, intellectual and cognitive benefits. A lot of mathematical skills, philosophy and storytelling, everything, all these things, improve. How, that we will discuss now. Kathak involves mathematics, storytelling, philosophy, aesthetics, engaging the brain as much as the body. It doesn't only include brain, only body, body and brain, continuously they are working with the emotions. So cognitive skills are also, interconnected. All those cognitive skills are. It sharpens memory. For example, long toda tukda, tat 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 tat. Now you see, 2 2 3 1 4 4 2 4 4 2 5 5 5 5 6 6 6 6 7 3 7 3 8 2 8 2 9 1. Now you see, cognitive, continuous. I remember everything. So that sharpens memory. Sequence, कौन सा तोड़ा पहले आएगा, कौन सा लास्ट में आएगा, पहले लयकारी आएगी. So one remembers everything, the first item, second item, third item, fourth item, in a whole sequence of dance, remembers everything. That sharpens memory. Long toda tukda. I don't go, otherwise, for 10, 12 avartans, cycles, tal cycles, the toda tukda, they continue. Very long kavit also. So that sharpens memory. Analytical thinking also. Where rhythm breaks, where it creates chamatkriti, where it adds beauty. For example, tatathai, 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 tat. Now you see, instead of third chakar, breaking it and giving some chamatkriti, unexpected. So when such things happen, one keeps on analyzing the performance. Where should I add something? How it would appeal more to the viewers? So continuous thinking of analytical ability. How the rhythm can be broken, how I should be more consistent in my tempo, laya, or maybe tal. For example, Jaya 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 Ganapati Gananayaka Vigna Haranama Sukadayaka Tatatai 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 Dina Di Dina Tina Di Dina Jaya 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 Ganapati Gananayaka Vigna Hara Gala Sukadayaka Tatatai 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 Din Dage Tirketun Na Kat Dage tirkirtan na Jaya 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 Ganapati Gan Yaka Vigana Harana Mangala Sukada Katatatai Tatatai 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 Deed. Now you see, here I may add Pancham Savari also. Here I may add Gajampa also. I may add Choti Savari also. Din na din de de na din na din din na tin karatin na kede nagatun na kattatra kadin na din na. Now you see, whosoever knows would come to know that पूरे 3 ताल के तोड़े में जप ताल भी आया, एक ताल भी आया, छोटी सवारी भी आई, पंचम सवारी भी आ सकती है. Now this is analytical thinking. Problem solving also it helps. Now you see, when we think about problem solution, something, problem, when I'm performing, suddenly there is some electricity issue in the mid of the performance. No doubt, it would be taken on the DG set, but it takes time. How would I handle that? Somewhere, some technical glitch, and the audio stops. How would I handle that? At a point of time, all accompanies start playing, and suddenly the tabla player's mic stops working. How shall I do that? While I'm performing, all the possible, my jewelry is disturbing me, or all the possible, it has been removed and it is somewhere, by my chakra, by my spins, it is lying on floor. Now all the possible, while my dancing, I have to be very careful that jewelry lying there may hurt my feet. May all the possible, my due to very tight ghungru, my feet started feeling numb. How shall I handle that? So there might be n number of problems. Many times I've observed that the novice dancers, they don't know how to tie ghungrus or anklets. So in between, in middle of the performance, the ghungru gets loosened. and the dancer is not. So problem solving skill also a dancer learns, and stage improvisation also. There's no problem. But I'm adept dancer. I'm expert dancer. Then improvisation. Suddenly, I look at the performer, the accompanist, and I do like this. So he realizes, okay, the dancer is going to perform something new, which is not pre-planned. And very fast, I'll take up some new tihai. I'll take up some new toda tukada. And all the possible, I've completed my toda and I'm standing in maybe third pose or some pose. And suddenly in last 4 matras, I take up some tihai. Thay, ta, thay, ta, thay, 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 ta, ta. Ta, ta, thay, ta, ta, thay, ta, ta, thay. Tram, ta, ta, thay, ta, ta, thay, ta, ta, ta. I keep on adding. So that is improvisation. That also is cognitive skills. Mathematical ability, which is very, very important. As I told you, many a times. Dance helps to develop mathematical intelligence through tal. That's a time cycle. You would be wondering how that time cycles, fractions and rhythmic, those permutations, how they help in mathematical or dance. Let me tell you. For example, Teen tal is 16 matras cycle. Jap tal is 10 matras cycle. Now, 5 avartans, cycles of Teen tal, that makes 80. Now, 8 avartans of Jap tal, that makes 80. That means maybe certain toda, tukada, as it is, they can be performed in Teen tal also and they can be performed in Jap tal also. Now, ek tal is 12 matras. All the possible, certain, for example, some matras, one is playing in 16 matra tal. Now, he or she feels that I want to perform the same composition or tal or bandish or toda, tukda in ek tal. Now, he should understand, okay, this is 16 matras, this is 12 matras. So, I will have to cut 4 matras. So, the tables, a dancer should know tables of all talas. Why? 16 matras, how many avartans? 12 matras, how many avartans? 12, 4s are 12, 3s are 16, 4s are 16, 10, 10s are 10, 12s are, everything one should know. Because all tal, most of the tals have different countings, cycles. 16 matra teen tal, 10 matra jap tal, 12 matras ek tal, dadra and kerwa 8 matras, gajampa 15, then rupak 7, then damar 14 matras. Very important that counting and fractions, tables, very, very important. And many a times, very beautifully dancers either in exam, the examiner asks, show me any bandish, any composition which is sum to sum in jap tal and ek tal. Sum to sum, that is in teen tal and ek tal. So very, very important here it is. Beat calculations in layakari. In layakari, tate ta tate thai ta tate ta tate thai ta tate ta tate ta takade takade din takade takade din takade. Lot of layakaris take place. Palta, bant, how one would count the beats. As I told you that in paltas like tat tat tate tate tat tat tate tate tat tat tate tate tat tat tate tate. Now tat tat tate tate tat tat tate tate 2 2. Now if I move to 3, tat 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 tate tate tat tate tate tat 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 3 1. So 2 2 makes 4, 3 1 makes 4. At the end of the day, whatever I'm speaking, if you count, 1 2 tate tate tat 1 2 tate tate tat 1 2 tate tate tat 1 2 ate tate tat 1 2 tate tate tat 1. Now 1 2 3 tate tate tat 1 tate tate tat 1 2 3 tate tate tat 1 ate tate tat 1 2 3 tate tate tat 1. Same. 1 2 3 4 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 ate tate tat 1 2 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 tate tate tat 1 2 3 tate tate tat 1 2 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 5 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 6 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 5 6 tate tate tat 1 2 3 5 6 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 5 6 tate tate tat 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tate ताते तेतत 1 2 3 ताते तेतत 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ताते तेतत 1 2 3 ताते तेतत 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ताते तेतत 1 2 ताते तेतत 1. Now you see, I may continue 7 8 9 10 0. All are in same cycle of Teen Tal. This is mathematical ability. So dance helps for beat calculation in Layakari. It sharpens logical thinking also. Most of the time in Farmaishi, Chakradar, Kamali Paran, Farmaishi Paran, and many times in an exam also, spontaneously you are asked, आप 16 मात्रा की एक तिहाई बताइए, 14 मात्रा की तिहाई बताइए, एक धागेतीट गतिगन बोल को लेकर टेक बोल्स ऑफ धागेतीट गतिगन एक अच्छी सी परन बनाइए, पंचम सवारी में परन बनाइए. सो दैट शार्पन्स लॉजिकल थिंकिंग ऑल्सो. Now you see, it trains the mind, as we discussed, that it trains mind in counting, division, calculation of beats during improvisations also. That's Laikari also. Now we will discuss about creativity and imagination. Obviously, dance is all about creativity, imagination, starting with curiosity to give something new. Storytelling through mythology, history, and literature. All mythology is not history and all history is not mythology. Many a times it has been observed that in Bharata, many things which is really history is known as mythology, and mythology is taken as history. So take care of that. Creativity and imagination. It encourages storytelling using mythology, history, literature, and real life themes also. As I told you that Draupadi Vastraharan, Panihari goes to the pot of water, go to fetch the water, comes and Krishna looks at, and the earthen pot is broken by him and she gets irritated, she gets angry, but she smiles. The whole story. Draupadi Vastraharan, the whole story. Kalyabadan, the whole story. There's a whole storyline. Dashavtar, those are the stories. They are stories. Ramayana, Mahabharata, they have so many stories, and those stories are performed in Kathak. That's even the story of Buddha. The mid of the night he goes, and Siddhartha, Yashodhara, all stories. Radha, Krishna stories. Shiva, Parvati stories. So there are anecdotes, there are incidents, there are stories being performed in dance. They are literature. The dance helps to explain creative thinking through choreography and improvisation. Many a times, when we witness the dance performance, ये ऐसे दिखाया जाता है, we never thought of it. I never could imagine that, this can be expressed like this also. This can be performed like this also. I remember I have witnessed wonderful dancers on the stage, live performances, wonderful. And that makes us realize that, that expands imagination in choreography, that connects with Indian philosophy and aesthetics. Everywhere Indian philosophy is there. We talk about dharma, we talk about karma, we talk about values, we talk about virtues. Everywhere the Indianness is there, Bharatiyata is there. So when I talk about creativity, that cultural learning, I come to know about my own land, I come to know about my own people, I come to know about my own culture, I come to know about my own literature, I come to know about my own stories, I come to know about me, I come to know about myself. So that is all about cultural learning. And aesthetics, we talked about Angika, Vachika, Aharya, Satvika, all Abhinaya, all aesthetics. That's Indian aesthetics. I would not take much time, but Indian aesthetics is to know about India. So that's very, very important. Cultural and philosophical learning, it offers knowledge of Indian mythology, scriptures, epics, that's Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, everything. And our understanding that deepens our understanding of aesthetics, philosophy, spirituality, that's Nava Rasa, Natya Shastra, principles, cultural literacy, connecting oneself to Bharatiya Gyan Parampara. We really connect ourselves to Bharatiya Gyan Parampara, the complete Bharatiya knowledge system, Indian knowledge system. Yes, now social and interpersonal benefits. First of all, it builds discipline and respect, especially in Guru Shishya Parampara. No, we have discussed in detail about Guru Shishya Parampara, so I'll not go in detail about it, but that talks about Indian society. Bharatiya Samaj ki baat ho rahi hai. That promotes teamwork when performing in group. Why? Because you see, let there be Gat Bhav or many type, Kathak is more of a group performances. In group performance, it is so important to have coordination. All the possible 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 people would be dancing together on the stage. And at that time, it is very important to have coordination in the group performance. So that teamwork is developed. Everybody, someone will have a lot of strength of footwork. Someone would be very good at spins. Someone would be very good at jumps. So when a choreographer looks at the group, he or she knows that what are the strength of every individual. And then he or she choreographs in such a way that every individual's strength is introduced to the viewers. So it is, that promotes teamwork when performing in a group. That enhances communication skills also. And in that also, communication skills, non-verbal and verbal. In non-verbal, many times it happens that while dancing, you want to communicate your fellow dancer. So simply looking at him would communicate that, okay, he or she understands. Many times while dancing also, you want to communicate something to accompanists, the musicians, people on the, who coordinates lighting, people who coordinates the volumes, audio effect and everything. So that continuous non-verbal takes place. Non-verbal. Amongst the performers, non-verbal between the performers and the viewers, a continuous cycle of communication of non-verbal. That provides a sense of belonging to cultural heritage. When I perform Ras, Garba, Bhavai, I feel, I belong to Gujarat. When a person performs Gidda, Bhangra, I belong to Punjab. Lavani, I belong to Maharashtra. So belongingness, that I belong to this. When I perform Kathak, when I perform Rangamanch Pranam, when I perform Shloka, Saraswati Vandana, Shiva Vandana, my cultural heritage is reminded. I feel one with my culture. So that's very, very important. Then comes spiritual benefits. Sattvika bhava. Sattvikam tvam numah shivam. Tvam shivam sattvikam. Now, we bow down to Sattvika Shiva. That's the spiritual benefits. Kathak originated as a storytelling art from the temples, Dev-Dasi tradition. The Dasi of Deva. I'm here in the temple to serve the Almighty, to God, Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, Jagdisha. So I'm here to serve. So the dance was for the spiritual growth, spiritual height. So first of all, it is a bhakti. And even in Jaipur Gharana also, everywhere Bhakti tradition is there, Bhakti movement, and dance is very closely associated with Bhakti movement. And so only Meerabai's saint poetess, Meera's bhajans, songs, poems are highly danced across the nation in various dance forms, be it Kathak, Bharatnatyam, everywhere. So first of all, we have to remember that Kathak originated as a storytelling dance, Katha kahe so Kathik. And in temples, its devotional roots provide spiritual upliftment that promotes bhakti, devotion. It happens through abhinaya of those spiritual stories, those stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, from everywhere. What exactly happens? It induces a meditative state during rhythmic dance repetition, meditative, the same kinds of dance. No, I feel trance, I feel moksha, I feel that meditation while dancing. Many a times, people used to ask me कि मैडम पूरे दिन में ये जॉब आप थक नहीं जाते तो फिर भी डांस करते हो शाम को. I tell them that I want to get rid of this fatigue, this tiredness, so I dance. Why? I feel that trance feeling, meditative feeling during those rhythmic repetition, rhythmic movements, because dance connects the dancer with transcendental aesthetics. That's a research theory. Enters into the different world, different land. So that meditative state of mind he or she enters. He or she experiences transcendental rasa. He or she cultivates humility, surrenders, and that continuous mindfulness, awareness of the divine. In one of the interviews, Kailash Kher was asked that when you write for the Almighty, you write Teri Divani. You should have written Tera Divana. Then he tells that in devotion, to surrender is very important. I have to surrender myself. And that surrenderness happens when I feel myself to be a woman, a female. Because a male ego does not allow me to surrender. The moment I feel myself in the body of a woman, a soul of a woman, a spirit of a woman, a female, it becomes easier for me to surrender. Teri Divani. So that humility, that humbleness, that awareness of Advait or Visishta Advait. You are me, we are not different, we are the one. And at last, you are there, I am nowhere. Because I am there in you, only you. If you are there in me, only you I feel in me. I am nowhere, I have become zero in myself. So that humbleness, that surrenderness, that awareness, that divine, supreme is there, I am nowhere. So that happens in dance. Now, professional and life skill benefits. Discipline, dedication, perseverance. Nothing happens in absence of it. You see, in absence of discipline, dedication, perseverance, one cannot learn dance, one cannot be a performer. Dance encourages time management through rigorous practice schedules. Every day one has to practice. Every day compulsory this many spins. Every day this much of time tatkar. So every day discipline must. It provides opportunities in performance, teaching, research, choreography, and cultural exchange. One may go, for all these things. Career, you go for teaching, or maybe in therapy, or maybe in research. Everywhere, time management, discipline, dedication, perseverance, not to give up. It's very, very important. When Shashi Deshpande was when nationally awarded, she was interviewed and she was asked that whom or what exactly would you credit for your success? And she said, my nature of not giving up. I simply did not give up. So in dance also, not to give up. आप जब ये सारे सेशन अटेंड करते होंगे, oh, this is very boring, I want to leave this course, I don't want to continue. No, don't give up. It is going to help you. And I bet on that if you complete this course, I am sure you will join Indian classical dance, practical learning also, which is very, very important. When we think about usefulness, it is really useful for careers in performing arts like theatre, music, even as a therapist also, because music and dance work as therapy. It is education also, with National Education Policy 2020, which talks about, not only simply talks, which emphasizes on 64 arts, where dance is also art and music is also art. Kathak is not merely a dance, my dear. When we talk about Kathak, you are cultural ambassador to the global forum. institutes like ICCR, they really ask that good dancers should go to various countries. They should go there. I think all of you should explore ICCR, ICSSR, ICSHR, where you can connect dance to our history, dance to our culture, dance to our social science, dance to our social economic growth of the region, everywhere. I think there you will come to know that these things are very, very important. Kathak is not, it's a holistic development of body, mind, intellect, and spirit. It's not just a way of life, it is self realization. It is much more than that. Kathak transforms rhythm into wisdom and movement into meditation. Kathak is a synonym to life. Kathak is synonym to existence. Kathak is synonym to spiritual being, not being a part of the rat race of becoming. Live in present, live in being, live in dance, 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 and feel the inner beauty, the eternal beauty of life. My dear learners, keep on dancing, keep on learning, keep on realizing your own self, keep on realizing the beautiful world around you. Keep on learning. Wish you very happy, blissful learning. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.
स्वाध्यायः परः